welcome back to another vlog series. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly.
And I'm Daniel.
And if you can't tell from my voice, I have been a little bit under the weather this week.
She has, bless you.
Genuinely, we thought this trip almost weren't going to happen. On Wednesday I was so ill, I was like, no, I'm not going. But finally I woke up yesterday and it's now just a blocked nose. So we are on our way to Vegas. Well, we're not quite on our way yet. We're in the #1 lounge at Heathrow. We don't normally do a lounge, but we thought we'd book a lounge today.
Celebration's 30th birthday over here, so why not?
And because it's the first bank holiday, it's the first weekend in the August summer holidays, we knew the airport was going to be super busy. You might have seen from that clip before. There was actually nowhere to sit, so I'm quite glad we booked it just for a place to sit. You get, with this particular lounge, there's a few different food options, and there's an unlimited stock bar. We also got a free glass of champagne each.
Nice.
There's free hot drinks and stuff as well, so it's just a nice place to just chill away from the madness.
I hope it's quiet on the camera. It's nice. It's a nice place. You've got a good view of the runway as well. So.
But yeah, so we are off to Vegas. We're going to be in Vegas for 5 nights, and then we're going on to Disneyland. We're flying with Virgin. We booked a package through Virgin, so yeah, we haven't got a car for our first few days. We're picking that up on Tuesday.
You really don't need a car in Vegas.
Well, you kind of do, but we also don't want to be paying for the hotel's car parking charges. So it's like $30 or $40 a night. So we thought there's no point for those first few days having one paying that car parking charge when we're not really going to use the car for those few days. So it's absolutely boiling in here. I'm literally melting. So we are going to enjoy our few hours at the lounge.
Yeah, a few drinks, bites to eat.
And then we'll catch you on the plane to Vegas.
So, Kimberly's just come back with a green tea, but put cold water in it instead of hot. Unbelievable.
What'd you get?
Some treats.
What are they?
Looks like a Rocky Road and a caramel shortbread.
What's this?
Oh, this is upside down.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Nice.
How's your hot green tea now?
Much better, thanks. Although it's too hot to drink now.
Unbelievable. We're moving on, what do you call these? Like
moving walkways.
Moving walkways. Trying to get off and on it and try and pay attention to what you're doing with the camera. It's not a struggle.
My bad. We are just on our way to the gate now. And then we'll be on our way to Vegas. Literally so excited. I honestly thought I was going to be cancelling this trip earlier in the week. So I'm just so glad I feel better now.
Film about a plane that travels from London to over the Atlantic over to America.
Oh, sounds
This one's landed in Vegas, not Orlando this time. This is the start. It's about a 10-hour.
He's literally that guy.
It's about a 10-hour film
on every flight. That I just like to watch TV, read, or watch a film, and pass the time. And then I think to myself, oh my god, now 4 hours is gone. But no, Daniel would tap my shoulder every 10 minutes, oh my god, we've got 9 hours and 20 minutes left. Oh, we've got 9 hours left. Oh, we've got 8 hours.
Just letting you know.
I don't want to know.
Well, tough.
I don't want to know.
You're married to me, so you're going to know.
There's quite a lot of films though. There's over 100 films. Quite a few of the new ones. So the new Planet of the Apes, the Anyone But You is on there. So I'm going to do some reading, watch a film, and sleep.
I did download a few on the iPad, but they have, like Kimberly they got some good films on here.
Travel day essential snack.
You wouldn't believe what has just happened though. Kimberly opened her water bottle. No word of a lie, it hit the ceiling of the plane. Went all over the children behind us.
I feel so bad. I literally opened it, and where I haven't opened it since we were in the airport, it literally squirted out like a water fountain. It went all over the roof of the plane. It's gone all over me, and I feel really bad. It went right on the little boy behind me. Not ideal.
And to top it off, I rested my peanut M&Ms on the
and they spilled everywhere.
the tray and they fell over.
We're worse than the kids.
So yeah, I've got peanut M&Ms running around the plane now.
So we've got a barbecue, a chicken and potatoes. Oh, I thought it said mashed potato.
Just potato.
Fair enough. What did you just do? What else is there? What's the salad?
There's a salad, looks like sun-dried tomato, lettuce.
Why are you seeing sun-dried tomatoes?
These red stuff, no?
No? That's
Oh.
peppers.
What do I know?
Okay, that's okay.
And then Kimberly has gone for
Oh, it looks like mac and cheese.
the vegetarian
Oh,
mac
it is a
and
mac and
cheese.
cheese. Nice.
There we are. Welcome to Suite 408.
Ooh. I know this room is massive. It's literally huge. No, let me come help you. The man on check-in said he upgraded us to a city view room, so I wonder what view we've got. Oh wow! We actually
Caesar's
have
Palace.
Caesar's, the Mirage, Treasure Island.
Wow, wait.
Oh, we got an Outback Steakhouse down there.
Nice.
Denny's. Oh. Yeah. Sorry?
That's my bed. Your bed.
This is exactly how I remember it when I came with my mum when I was younger. So the closet. Oh,
I
that's
can
robe.
sleep in it.
That bed's nice and big.
I can't wait to. After a long flight, that's going to be nice.
Well, I feel like we haven't really spoken to you for ages. The flight was so busy, like there wasn't a spare single seat on the entire aeroplane. So we didn't really vlog on the flight.
There's a deep bar.
That's a nice bath.
You will enjoy this.
I am indeed. This bathroom is literally huge. I think this bathroom is pretty bigger than our flat. But yeah, as I was saying, we didn't really vlog on the flight just because it was so busy, and the configuration of the plane was 333, so we had a girl next to us, so I don't know, I just didn't really want to be putting the camera in her face and vlogging.
Nah.
But I did notice the difference between flying from Florida to Vegas, that extra few hours.
Oh, amazing.
Like, because in England right now, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, so it's a big time difference. I'm knackered, but we're so hungry as well. We didn't really eat on the plane because we know we wanted to go get some food when we got here.
Factory.
Yeah.
I think so.
So we're going to have a little freshen up, then get out, get some food, get some water and stuff for the room, and then have a good sleep.
I'm telling you now, we walked out of that hotel and it hit you.
Oh,
not like a Florida heat with
yeah,
like
we weren't
real
like
humidity.
sweating, but it was just like, I was like, I can't
dry
breathe. I actually
heat.
can't breathe.
44 it is today.
So yeah, not bad. But yeah, we're going to have a little freshen up and then we will catch you at Cheesecake Factory. So we've had a quick freshen up and we're going to go
Nothing feels so good than brushing your teeth
after a flight. Oh my god, so I totally agree. I just wanted to say, we obviously haven't hired a car for this part of the trip. We got an Uber and it was literally £24 for the Uber, which isn't too bad, and it was quite trafficy, wasn't it? So,
it probably took about 10 minutes.
Yeah, they weren't long at all, but it's so close, the airport, to the Vegas Strip. But yeah, it is quite trafficy. So yeah, so now we are going to try and navigate our way out of this hotel because it's massive.
We got lost coming to the room.
The guy told us how to get here, but you had to go in one lift and then go out and then go down a corridor to get in another lift to be able to get to our section of the room. So I will imagine we'll get lost on our way back again later.
And you won't be the first, or it's not going to be the last time.
No, definitely not. So yeah, we're going to go get some food, we're going to get some water and stuff for the room, and then we're going to sleep because, it's literally like...
But it is only, we landed just before 6. It's now 8:10 in the evening.
2 hours to get through security, get the suitcases, get to the airport, get to the hotel. So yeah, not too bad. And we've got a really nice room. We'll do like a proper room tour tomorrow when we're not like so delirious. But yeah, so...
Hot. Jesus Christ. Like the wind, it's like a little bit breezy.
It's a bit like opening your oven.
But it's hot. Like Kimberly said, open your oven is a good example of how hot it is.
Right, should we get a move?
Yes. So we are wandering around the shops in Caesar's Palace trying to find Cheesecake Factory. And we can't find it, can we?
No, I know where we're going now.
Okay, now she knows where we're going.
I've been in there with Harry.
I'm going to go over here. I'm going to see my boy Max.
We are both flagging. I'm so tired. I literally can't function.
I know. Well, nearly been up 24 hours.
Well, we did sleep for a little bit on the plane.
2 hours, maybe. If that. All the like fishies behind. Right, we were just sitting, waiting for the table for to come into Cheesecake Factory, and I said to Kimberly, I said, right, when she comes over to grab us and take us to the table, I said, before she even disappears, we'll say, right, we're on bang bang chicken and shrimp, we've got chicken Louisiana pasta, a strawberry lemonade, a Coke Zero, and the bill. Is that rude? No.
He didn't do it, by the way.
I didn't do it, but I was going to.
You can't do that.
But yeah, just because we're so tired, we just want to sort of eat and go. So, what are you getting? Bang bang chicken and shrimp. How would I have guessed?
Because there's only two things I ever get in here. So I've gone for a strawberry lemonade and an iced water. Daniel's got a Coke, and it's just the most refreshing.
It's so good.
Why is this not working? There we go. It's literally the most refreshing drink ever. I was just saying to Daniel, when I was asleep on the plane earlier, I woke up and I had such a dry mouth and I was just like daydreaming of drinking this drink. But yeah, we're both a bit tired and very, very hungry. I've ordered the bang bang chicken and shrimp, and I've got some veg on the side. I just feel like I need some veg. And Daniel's got the chicken Louisiana pasta. I think they're the only two things me and him ever order, except for that burrito that one time, which I don't think is on the menu anymore. But yeah, I'm so hungry. I purposely didn't eat any of my food on the plane, and we didn't actually really eat in the lounge. That's one thing I will say. I don't think the food in that lounge was that good. I think if you went there for breakfast, it would be okay.
Yeah.
But like it had like noodles and like a dry pasta. and there was like some cheese and crackers, but yeah, but it was just nice to have a seat because the airport was honestly so busy. And our flight was like, even the cabin crew, they were saying how some of them wanted to bring their friends with them, but they had to turn their friends away, like they weren't allowed to bring them on, that there wasn't a single spare seat. So, but yeah,
we are going to enjoy
this food. Yeah, we were looking forward to this. We were literally saying it earlier in the week on Monday.
Yeah,
we were like,
what did you
good.
say to your mum? You said, oh, it's this Saturday we're going to
I was like, oh, so what are you and Dad doing on Saturday? I was like, 'cause me and Daniel were going to go to Cheesecake Factory for dinner. And then when I was feeling ill on Wednesday, my mum was like, that's your fault for being all smug.
Oh, yes. And a side of broccoli. So that wraps travel day.
Yeah, we had a lovely meal, but we are both absolutely exhausted, so we're going to go to bed and we'll give you a little recap tomorrow. So
yeah, all the best. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and yeah, it will get better from today onwards. Today's just been a bit all over the place, but
it has,
thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.